Hello everyone, welcome to Cow Design Studio. Let's talk about which 5 best CAD software for the beginners. Because right now we have a more than 100 choice for the CAD softwares. But as a beginner, it's very key important which software he is going to be start for our career and learning. So in this list, first software is coming Solidworks. And why this is Solidworks in the top? Because these softwares have a very easy learning curve. And why they have easy learning curve? Because also lots of tutorials also available in YouTube, in every platform easily available. And most important things, Solidworks right now used very much in a medium and a small scale industry and everywhere in the world. So you can find easily jobs in Solidworks also. And you can learn SolidWorks basics about a part modeling and assembly within a week. So if you wanted to start your career on a CAD design, you can choose SolidWorks in a first priority if you would like to be. Moving ahead, second in this list is the Autodesk Fusion 360. If you wanted to be take an experience, you want to taste a cloud-based software, so that is a choice Fusion 360 degree. You can use any laptop system, not required to be high configuration because it's a completely cloud-based software. You can easily get a 1-year license as you wanted to be as a hobbyist, a learning wanted to be as a freelancer, a small scale business also. You can take it 1-year license for Fusion 360 degree. They can easily provide it, and also they have also lots of tutorial available on YouTube. So you can take it, look it and learn Fusion 360 degree. This is a good choice. Second good choice for that, for solid modeling and mass modeling and freeform. Moving ahead, we have a third software in this list, Creo. Creo previously come in that name of the Pro in a previously backend decade. Creo is a good software in a product design, and they have a lots of good technology for making the better product design, rendering, and also mathematical modeling as well as simulations tools. They have a good tools in a Creo. Creo also coming, you can get a 30-day trial version license also, and you can also get a student version free of available for 1 year. You can try it and use it. Creo is good in a especially in a product design field if you wanted to. And Creo also have a good resources of learning in YouTube free of cost. You can go ahead and try it, Creo. Moving ahead, we have a fourth software in the list, Solid Edge. Solid is a good software. They have a lots of potential, but not so much a popular thing compared to SolidWorks. But if you try Solid Edge, you will love it. The software compared to SolidWorks, Solid Edge also good software. But the two things that make Solid Edge in a fourth category. First, they have a little bit linear curve, stiffly linear curve compared to SolidWorks. And second, you will get less tutorial in a Solid Edge compared to SolidWorks, because Solid Edge have a very less tutorials available in YouTube. So that is the second category of why this is come in the fourth point. But if you wanted to try Solid Edge, you love it. This is have a good tool in a product design as well as assembly and simulations, rendering. Also, the one of the most important things, the file, particularly the assembly size and file size, is less compared to SolidWorks. So that consumption of your system is less in compared to SolidWorks. And if you wanted to try it, you will try it. You love this software. It have a lots of capability and it's very strong software, Solid Edge, but only things is less popular compared to SolidWorks. So you need to take a little bit head steps to learn this software, because you need to do sometimes very difficult to find the right tutorial for learning some tools, techniques for Solid Edge. And the final on this list is a FreeCAD. You love open source software, then is a FreeCAD is only a great option compared to other open source. FreeCAD is a wonderful software. This FreeCAD have a lots of kind of a tools, module, architecture module, design, product design, graphics, animation. It's lots of tools. You wanted to try for the gears, you wanted to try for the mechanism, you can do it this software. And they have also a few good tutorials available in YouTube free of cost. You can try it, you can learn it. And FreeCAD also have a little bit stiffy learning curve, but somebody wanted to learn open source, who don't wanted to restrict our creativity on a license system, then FreeCAD is only good choice for open source. It's a wonderful, he have a highly capable software for do any kind of your design analysis, even surface design also is a good tool. You are the product designer, architect designer, whatever you design, you can utilize FreeCAD easily. That's a best option in the category of open source. So thank you guys.